In this video, I'll show you how to switch the keys and values of a dictionary in Python. Python's dictionary comes with a few inbuilt functions that make this quite simple. Given a random dictionary called randomDict, and I'll give it these arbitrary key value pairs. And using the .items function, I can access each key value pair as a tuple in a list. This means I can index every initial key in every tuple as index 0, and their value as index 1. All I have to do now is create my new dictionary, which is initially empty, and run a for loop through the randomDict.items return value using the indices 0 and 1. As you can see, when I print the original dictionary and the new dictionary, all the key value pairs have been swapped.